This is the HARDELL Rechargeable Digital Caliper. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Arrived safely, nice looking packaging. And inside the package, you are going to get a little cleaning cloth for your screen, an easy to read set of instructions. You're going to get a nice plastic case to keep your caliper in, to store it and transport it. And you're going to get about a 1-foot Type-C charging cable because this is a rechargeable device. Just lift up this little tab right here and you can see the charging port, which I really like because I'm not a fan of replacing the batteries on these things and having to keep batteries on hand. They say that one 20-minute quick charge will give you up to 5 months of battery life. And this is great because if the battery runs out during use, you can just quick charge it and you're back in business. The caliper is made from stainless steel with stainless jaws. The thumb grip feels good on it for your larger movements. It has a measuring range from 0 to 6 inches or 0 to 150 millimeters. The thumb roller is pretty smooth. It's not super tight, but it's not super loose either. And we have a locking screw on the top. I prefer stainless to plastic. That's just me. The second coolest feature, in my opinion, is this orange display. The screen just kind of pops and makes everything easy for me to read. It's pretty much glare free. I have to actually work it into the light to get it into a position where it causes a glare on the screen. I just really like the way this orange stands out because it makes it way easier on my eyes to read this screen. Just me. So we have an on-off switch. There's a 0. Got a little chart in the back here. And when you're measuring, we have a 1 2 inches switch. So you can instantly move back and forth. Click of a button. You can do 4 different types of measurements. You could do the outside measurement, the inside measurement. You can do depth. And you have the step gauge measurement from here to the bottom, which I think is really cool because rather than using the depth gauge, you've got a lot more surface to work with. You know, it keeps it balanced. There you go. There's also an absolute function. You have an ABS button here, so you can measure out a reference point. You hit the ABS button. You can see it zeroes it out. Then we can see where we are from that reference point. Hit the button again, it zeroes it, and just take it back to 0. See how this old 1.5 inch, pretty good. So there you go, stainless steel caliper, easy to read. I love the orange screen. Great for jewelry making, household repairs, DIY projects, industrial and workshop use, machining, woodworking projects, all kinds of stuff. And it's rechargeable. That's one of my favorite parts. Very nice.